to turn on or turn off appliances and alternatively on connected watches in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements. Select sound notifications, and then tap settings. Tap notification preferences, and then scroll down on appliances and other like microwave, beeping, water running, and more. Tap notify on connected watches, switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. Applies to Wear OS by Google Watches. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.